In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Google Drive files for view-only access without notifications. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the top right corner, click the grid-shaped Google Apps button. From the menu that appears, choose Drive. This takes you straight into your Google Drive, where all your files and folders live. If you're prompted to sign in, just use your usual account to continue. Once you're in Drive, find the file you want to share. A single click will highlight it. With the file selected, look for the three vertical dots. This is the More Actions menu. Click those dots to open a list of options. Move your mouse over the Share option to reveal it clearly. Then click Share to open the sharing window. In the sharing window, you'll see a field labeled Add People and Groups. Type the email address of the person you want to share the file with. Take a moment to double-check that address so the right person gets access. Next, look at the permission level for that person. By default, Google might set it to editor or commenter depending on your last action. Click the drop-down next to their name and change it to Viewer. Viewer means they can open and read the file, but they can't edit, comment, move, or delete it. This is exactly what you want for view-only access and is a great way to protect the original content while still letting others see it. Now, to make sure no email alert is sent, uncheck the box that says Notify People. Leaving this unchecked prevents Google from sending an automatic email. The person will still have access, they just won't receive a notification from Google. This can be helpful if you're quietly preparing access for a future meeting, granting permissions in bulk, or planning to let them know through your own message or workflow. With the email entered, the role set to Viewer, and notifications turned off, click Share to apply the changes. That's it. Your file is now shared silently with view-only permissions. To recap the flow you just followed, open Google, use the app grid to get into Drive, select your file, open the three-dot menu, choose Share, add the recipient's email, switch their access to Viewer, uncheck Notify People, and click Share. You've successfully controlled visibility and avoided email pings, all while keeping your file secure and unchanged.